from the state of Washington, but his job takes him to Okinawa. So in order for him to go there, he's on a submarine. He's like a nuclear
Oh, you scare me. Oh, stop scaring
his brother Robert, he has a daughter and 2 sons. That's the younger son.
Is that my mom's phone?
And then the other son works for both.
Ooh, who did it? Who did it? You do it?
She's a school teacher,
Did you do it?
but she's stationed
High five.
in Japan.
High five.
But she's stationed
Yeah, thank you. Can I see that? Can I see that? Thank you. You want it back?
parents are in
There you go. You're smart, aren't you? Yeah.
But when you say station, I think that's
Okay, no more.
military.
No more. Can I see that?
She's a civilian, but she works
Can
for
I see?
the
Can I? No high five. Can I see the phone? Dang. Oh. Can I see the phone?
She reminds me so much of
No. I'm gonna take it. Thank you. You want that?
That's why we have that gate to keep him from going.
Yours.